Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my OMDAR 3-pack kitchen scissor set. My old kitchen scissor broke and I really needed to replace it. I came across this set and I'm really excited to give it a try. This set comes with 3 scissors made of heavy-duty stainless steel. The handles are designed for efficiency and for comfort when you are using the scissors. I also love that it is multi-purpose. Whether you need a smooth blade or a serrated blade or a bottle opener or even a nutcracker, these scissors can serve all the different purposes. The green scissor has 5 layers for faster shredding. This is great when cutting things like green onions, for example. I was able to test it out and it worked really well for chopping a little bit faster compared to using a single blade scissor. It also comes with a cleaning brush that is designed to brush out any food residues from the scissor after you're done using it. Also, all 3 scissors come with a blade cover, and that helps to protect from possible injuries. I'm loving my kitchen scissor set so far and excited to start using it even more. If you are in need of a multi-purpose kitchen scissor set, either for yourself or to give as a gift, this one is definitely worth looking into.